To fix an invisible fence dog collar that is not working, there are several possible reasons to consider. These include drained batteries in the receiver collar, a broken boundary wire, or a faulty transmitter. To address these issues, start by replacing the receiver's batteries. This can be done by loosening the battery lid screws with a screwdriver, sliding out the lid, removing the old batteries, and inserting new ones to see if the problem is resolved. If the issue persists, check the boundary wire by holding the receiver collar near the ground and walking towards the invisible fence, which should trigger beeping a few feet away from the fence. If a break in the wire is found, turn off the fence, dig up the wire, and inspect it for damage. Any broken ends can be twisted together and covered with electrical insulation or silicone glue before being returned to their original position. If the problem lies with the transmitter, check if the indicator lights are off and listen for warning sounds. If the lights are off and there are no sounds, the transmitter may have experienced a power surge, in which case resetting it may repair the issue. By following these steps, it is possible to fix an invisible fence dog collar that is not working and have it functioning properly again.